Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Let's see what the Merc with the mouth is cooking. Let's go! Okay, so we have here from WizKids, Marvel's BBQ or BBQ Deadpool. And as you can see, this product contains one pre-painted collectible miniature game piece, a promo figure, and I got this from eBay as an auction. I won an auction, and you can see on the front the illustration of Deadpool with an apron and Kill the Cook as the design. On the side, we see the same illustration. It's an exclusive figure. This was, I think, used as priced in the 2025 Heroclix Worlds, and also was purchasable during that time. Okay, so there's a dent in the box, but that's fine for this barbecue Deadpool. At the back, saying illustration for 14 years old and up, and this was released 2025. Okay, so I don't really care for Deadpool as much. Okay, but this particular version of Deadpool I need to get because he has my favorite keyword, which is X-Men. Okay, and also X-Force. Okay, so meaning the version of Deadpool is part of the X-Men team. Okay, sometimes it's not. He does his own thing as Deadpool core. Okay, but when it's printed X-Men on his card, then I need to get him. And you can see the figure here. Okay, exclusive figures tend to have high quality, and the paint here is just awesome. Okay, you can see the hot dog or the sausage stabbed by the pork, and then Kill the Cook with hat and apron to boot. Okay, so let's take a look at his card, and he is MVP 25-006 with a team player, team ability, and keywords Deadpool Core, Weapon X, X-Force, X-Men, Assassin, and Soldier. Okay, so as I said, one of the few Deadpools recently that have X-Force and X-Men, so I have to get him. And he has a trait. How much lighter fluid do I use? So that's not a good sign if a cook asks you that. Energy explosion. When Deadpool uses it, after resolutions generate a fire smoke terrain marker in the square of each targeted character, so not hit but targeted, at the beginning of your next turn. Even if this is lost, deal 1 damage to each character occupying one or more of those markers, then remove those markers. Okay, so which is really good because that means if they don't move, or if you tie them up, then that means next turn they will have 1 damage additionally. Okay, so it's a trait, so he has that throughout his dial. He also has a second trait, best winners around, super senses, willpower, very typical of Deadpool. When 1 or more action tokens are removed from Deadpool, heal him 1 click. Okay, so we all know he is a character that regenerates just as good, if not better, than Wolverine. And a special attack power, pass me those tong-ta-tong-tong-tongs. Yeah, so that's a tong. So it's a tong, not a skewer. But it looks like a skewer. Anyway, so Blades Claws Fangs. When Deadpool uses it, the hit character gains immobile until your next turn. Okay. So and that's really good, although I would have loved it if the Blades Claw Fang would also allow him to generate a fire smoke terrain marker. Okay, because giving them immobile will assure that they will get that 1 damage. Okay, but nonetheless, he is Wade Wilson, as we know, and significant appearance is Deadpool kills Deadpool number 2. Okay, I have not read that, but that sounds like a Deadpool thing to do, to kill Deadpool. He has 5 range and 3 targets, which is really good because he also has running shot and precision strike. So that means he can do 3 targets energy explosion that will guarantee 1 damage because of the precision strike. And again, putting around all those fire smoke terrain markers. He starts off with energy shield deflection and probability in the first 3 click, and towards the tail end of his dial, he switches into a close combat figure with charge, that special attack power of Blade's Claws, and then combat reflexes and close combat expert. Okay, so I would have loved it if he had stab click just to have extra survivability, but he does have a way to heal and super senses. I guess he is 60 points of pure Deadpool madness. Anyway, so what do you guys think? As I said, this will be part of my collection. Okay, as an X-Men figure. I'm not so sure if I'm gonna use him. Maybe try him out. He doesn't have a marksman keyword that would have helped him a lot. But we can probably put like an animal man on him, okay, just to give him more durability or reducers aside from rollout of super senses. And yeah, I'll update you in the future video. But for now, bye! Get your winners! Tong tong tong!